Today, I'll show you 3 easy ways to cut your seal using common tools. Quick, simple, hassle-free. Please prepare extra goggles and gloves. Sourdough seal, measuring tape, pencil or marker, utility knife, garden shears, handsaw. Okay, the ingredients are ready. Let's get started next. Step 1. Measure, measure, and measure again. The most important step before cutting is getting the measurements right. Grab your measuring tape and carefully measure the length of your shower door. Step 2. And use a marker to mark the dimensions to be cut. Tip. Hold the seal against the shower door bottom to check the fit before cutting. A. Garnishers, garden pulling shears. The simplest and easiest tool for cutting. Grab your garden pruning shears and cut along the marked line. To keep the cut straight, try to hold the shears at a vertical angle. Position the seal with the part that clips onto the glass facing upwards before cutting. And just like that, you're done easy and hassle-free. B. Utility knife. How to use a utility knife to cut shower seals. If you're cutting a piece shorter than 5 centimeters, a utility knife might not be the best. Chooser can be tricky to snap cleanly. Instead, garden shears will do a much better job. Keep the seal positioned with the clip-on side facing up. When using a utility knife, always keep the blade away from your fingers. The correct method is to keep the back of the blade facing your fingers to avoid accidental cuts. Use a utility knife to score around the marked line, making a shallow cut all the way around. This helps create a clear cutting guide. Now that you've scored the seal along the marked line, simply bend it along the cut and it should snap cleanly. Sita, henshu, so not recommended. Place the shower door seal on the edge of a table and hold it securely with one hand. Align the saw with the mark you made with a marker and begin cutting. Move the saw in a steady, controlled motion to ensure a straight and clean cut. Once you've cut around the seal, gently snap the seal along the outlined contour. If there's still some sticking or unevenness after snapping, simply repeat cut to trim off the remaining bits for a perfect finish. Your shower door seal. Noticing rough edges or unevenness. Don't worry, it's a common issue. The good news is, it's easy to fix. To deal with the rough edges, simply use the blade to gently scrape along the edges of the shower door seal. Keep doing this until the edges gradually smooth out and become more even. That's all for the introduction of the 3 tools. Our top recommendation is garden shears. They're easy to use, provide a clean cut, and are safer compared to a saw or utility knife. Got a cutting trick of your own? Let us know in the comments.